Welcome back to Eureka Off-Road, where everything's broken.
It's not broken,
but it's having a good time. What are you talking about? There's nothing that's good on here.
Serpentine belt, brand new.
All right, folks, we're down here at the reservoir, and this is what Royce and Tyrell brought down, the beautiful Escort. Check this out.
It's a quadra steer. Okay?
It's quadra steer. And Wiley's got his dirt bike out here, his little electric dirt bike riding around. Kelby's got the LS Land Cruiser, trying her out again. I think it's already warm. And Kokomo's way over there, trying to drown the poor Toyota. And then there's a few other folks out that way, and we're waiting on a few folks coming down yet. But we'll keep having fun. So tell us what happened to the poor Ford Escort.
So this dummy right here decided to give her all the beans going up the hill.
Well,
and then the tie rods decided to transgender ish into Chevy tie rods, and now they're like, ugh. So it's not good.
Yeah. Well, you should have at least steering on one tire. But you guys got it back up to the camp, didn't you?
No.
Where's it at?
It's in the parking area on the other side of the outhouse.
We tried making it up back to the trailer, but it didn't.
It was like, ugh, and it was like, ugh, ugh, ugh. And it was like, ugh, and the clutch is like, no.
Makes sense. Carson made it down here. Ben. Kelby's making smoke. Hopefully it's not important smoke. Excuse me. Heck yeah! Carson's trying to get into the squishy stuff. Kelby's going back again. Carson getting ready to climb a hill. Yeah, I think his tranny's slipping. It's more of a stall converter. Squishy. So close, and then the tranny starts slipping. Yeah, I think his tranny's slipping pretty bad. Me over here. don't back up, Kelby. Last set of tracks right here, right up through here, right over this gaping hole and into here. That's your last track right there.
Kelby's tranny is doing Tyrell Suburban things.
Yeah, it's not Trannian.
It's not tranny, it's regular.
Yeah.
Turn right. All right. Okay. So close. Where did Royce go? Yeah, something like that.
What's our plan, James?
He lost the U-bolt, block shit out, so we're gonna jack it up, get the axle back where it should be. What else? Get the axle back where it should be, and ratchet strap the axle in. And that'll be good enough to get it to the pavement to a trailer. Take that to the hitch jock. Has it got a hitch on it?
Yeah.
Those marks? Yeah, they're supposed to have bolts on them.
You ready to go up?
Give me a second here. I'm gonna try and spend a little time under this truck. So we're already kind of up. Yeah. You want to try and take it up some more? I'm guessing that this thing's in park.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I'd hope so.
Got me in a predicament. Coming down. Still too forward.
There you go.
That's the back U-bolt, isn't it?
Yeah.
I was driving around last night. This was my first time driving around here, and
Oh, hold on.
Kelby?
Kelby, you're a little loud.
the spot where you unload the dirt bikes, I didn't see
Oh,
it,
up
and
at
I was
Horse Camp.
driving down, and my foot it came down and it smashed, and I took my truck down the hill, and when I was coming up the pass end, it jumped up, and I think that's what knocked it loose.
I see.
Because then the front tires started dragging across the fender right there. Yeah.
Sounds like a wild ride.
It was fun.
Yep. Coming down with the high lift.
You wanna?
Hold on.
I think we're there.
Are we?
I think so, yeah. We just need to set it down. Yeah, we should be good. Okay, clear? Yep.
Yep. Is it gonna roll since it's in neutral?
Huh?
That's what I was wondering.
Oh, there's a block of wood.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, yeah, that's the tough part.
Are we using wire?
One wire.
Having a good time, buddy? Yeah? You having fun? Are you ready for a nap? Same.
Well, as you can see, we, well, I didn't show up because I was kind of doing it and what have you, but we lost a tire on the work truck as well. Tube got a hole in it. So I put the spare on, and then we were on our way out and we heard about somebody that broke a U-bolt. So we just wire tied their U-bolt in, and they're going to try and drive it up to the camp. And now we're gonna come up here and try and help Royce and Tyrell get their car back on the trailer.
Stay tuned. Success, it drives.
Front one, so I'm gonna go home and get another U-bolt for it. Yeah, no, I can definitely tell.
Oh, there at your muffler. Okay, step back. Case that chain.
So, we successfully found a U-bolt for this guy. We're on our way back, but now we've acquired Sterling.
Yeah.
And we're rocking the Suburban now. We got room for all the ladies. I mean, just for me and him.
Yeah, all the single dudes.
Single dudes only. So we're on our way back out there in the Suburban. The reason we're in the Suburban is because I lost a tire while I was down there, and then on my way home I heard another one starting to leak, and apparently what happens is those radials get pinches or splits in the sidewall so big. I think I may have talked about this in the last video because I fixed one. That one's still fine, but I lost another one on my own. But the radials will get cracks, and the cracks go all the way through, and then as you drive around, that crack opens and closes and pinches the tube until the tube gets a hole in it, and then you're SOL. So I need new tires, but you can't afford them. So, you know, you do what you can. And 38s, you know, you can't run nothing but 38s because, you know, you wouldn't be cool. So anyways, on our way back, let's get this guy fixed, get home for some dinner.
Yeah, you know what I think? I think Trojan should start making tires.
Ooh, yeah. That's a good idea.
Yeah, right?
We'll leave you with that. Josh did a real nice job here.
Yeah, he did. Look at that. That's toy. Look at toy.
Yeah.
Yeah, by some skizzers to cut it.
Maybe.
Can we loosen up that other side? Do you think that'll...
Yeah, we might have to.
This is just a trail repair to get home.
Yeah, our U-bolt was too short.
So, but yeah, you can let us know how we're doing it wrong. We appreciate it.
Alright, battery died, but we got it on there. It's not ideal because our U-bolt was too short, so we ended up scooting the pad way forward, getting it on, then bringing it back, and the back U-bolt was all like, but it was all tight, should get them home, and then you can get the proper stuff put on there. So we're gonna go home and get some dinner while it's still daylight out.
And you know what you folks need to remember? It don't always hurt to do a quick nut and bolt check.
Oh, especially U-bolts. If they're fresh ones, oh, you gotta check them 2-3 times.
You gotta tighten them till you're purple in the face.
So, yeah, I know you guys saw, but it's been a long day. I lost 2 tires. Tyrell lost the clutch, or Royce and Tyrell lost the clutch and the tie rod, and he lost a whole entire U-bolt. The axle fell out, but we got it all buttoned up-ish. Everything should be, as long as we make it home in the old Suburban, we should be good to go. Everybody else made it out, so thank you guys for watching.
Like and subscribe.
The recoveries just keep rolling in, so we'll just keep filming them, huh?